fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
Oh, I got one on the glide. Got one on the glide. Oh, yeah. Got a big on the glide. All right, guys. So we got ourselves a 610. Hell yeah. Alright, let's get her back. That's a thick fish. There we go. Caught on the big glide. That's right here. One I painted up, and actually this one got messed up. I got dropped it while I was painting it, but it all looks all beat up and stuff. But that's what I caught her on. Alright guys, so we've been fishing for a little bit and haven't had any more bites since that big one we caught earlier. That we rolled up, made like 4 casts and caught that fish. But we fished this whole stretch of bank going down through here where we caught that one and still haven't had anything. So we'll get back to y'all when we've caught something, or if we change places or whatever. But we're just kind of fishing, seeing what we can do. On the glide. Got him on the glide. Little guy. Ooh. But there we go. Got on the glide. Alright guys, we had one come up and swap the glide, but missed it. See if we can't get him. Didn't come up after it again. Let's see. I don't guess he's gonna come back after the glide. We'll grab something and hit him with like a Senko or something here in a minute. Got one on the Senko. There we go. Whoa. You can clock popping now. Got him on the Senko. Get him back. It's the one I'm pretty sure came up and flashed at the swim bait a minute ago. Cute puppy dog came to pay a visit. I don't know where he came from. Yeah. Alright guys, we got the smallest fish possible on the glide. And it's a little spotted bass. We still got the pooper following us around. I don't really want him to see my bait get laid down, but we'll show him the fish. Look. Come here. Look. No, we don't bite it. Yeah. Oh. And he's gone. I don't know whose dog this is. It came out of nowhere. It's been following me around.